Hello students, today in this video we are going to see the board examination, the online examination for 11th standard IT paper. So I'm having a question paper which is based on 50 marks. So let us start solving the questions. The first question which you can see in this video is filling the blanks. So whenever the filling the blanks they appear in your board examination, whether it is for 12th standard or 11th standard, your filling the blanks will never have a option. You have to be very precise with the word regarding which you are going to enter. So the question is, dash refers to the generally accepted standards of right and wrong in a society. So we have two sections like ethics and moral. Lekin whenever it comes to the society prospectus, then it is always moral. So moral is the right answer. Next, any subscriber makes authenticate an electronic record by affixing his dash. So if you want to make any record whichever is online or on a document, if you want to make it authentic, you have to use a digital signature for it. So digital signature is the right answer. Next we have accessing of data without having permission is called as dash access. So whenever you don't have any permission and still you are accessing the data, then that type of access is called as unauthorized access. Next, dash is a method of converting original message into a random text. So whenever you are converting an original message into a random text, then we call it as encryption. And whenever you are converting the random text or the coded text back to its original form, then we call it as decryption. Next is dash refers to all the activities done with criminal intent in cyberspace. So it is nothing but cybercrime. Next, dash is used to protect the network. So always security procedures are used. So firewall is one of the security procedure which is used to protect the network. Next, SSL stands for. SSL is also one of the security procedure and it stands for security socket layer. Next, what is the symbol of copyright? So symbol of copyright is a circle in which you have a C written. Okay, so you can see on the screen. Next we have access control is used to restrict to dash access. So access controls are always used to restrict the unauthorized access. जिसको permission नहीं है वो access नहीं कर सकता. Okay. Next we have dash is an individual concern. So privacy is always an individual concern. Next, state whether true or false. First, firewall is one of the security and privacy control. So this is exactly correct and it is a true statement. Next, software piracy is victimless crime. So this is false. Next, user should not use a computer to steal. This is true. You should always make a use of computer in a proper manner, not to steal the data of others. Next we have software theft is not a serious matter. So this is false. It is one of the most serious matter in today's world because nowadays maximum of the transactions are done online. Next, a user has no right to receive or use unauthorized copies of software. So this is true. Ethics principles act as a justification for evaluation of human actions. So this is again true because ethics are the principles. They are one of the rules which we always follow. Next, ethics was invented by Bill Gates. Now this is false. Next, with pirated software, consumer can enjoy full benefit. So this is also false. We should never use the pirated software. Next, patent is an intellectual property right. So this is true. Always the patents are given to the owner and they are only the whole sole owners of that particular product. Next, cyber law deals with trademark and patent. So this is again true. Now let us move ahead with MCQs with one option correct. The first one is the Information Technology Act 2000 is an act of Indian Parliament passed the bill on dash. So the answer is May 2000. Next, which of the following is not a type of cybercrime? So you have four options. Out of that, installing antivirus for production is not a type of cybercrime. Next, any criminal activity associated with a computer. So any type of crime which is done with the help of computer is called as cybercrime. Next, dash is a technique of extracting confidential information such as credit card numbers, username, password, combos by pretending as a legal. So here the answer is phishing. Next, hacking bank account related to information is an example of dash. So it is nothing but unauthorized access. Next, stealing of software program illegally is dash. So we have four options. The right answer here is software piracy. Next, the purpose of dash is to provide authenticity to the user for information. So the right answer is digital signature, which sees the whether the user is authenticate or not. Next, unauthorized access can be overcome by dash. So the right answer is users vigilance and monitoring. Next, activity does such as decipher codes or passwords and breaking security systems for illegal reasons is called as dash. So the right answer here is cracking. Next, dash refers to all the legal and regulatory aspects of internet and the World Wide Web. So it is nothing but cyber law, because cyber law is the only law which is prepared for the security of transactions on the World Wide Web as well as security of data on the internet. Now we'll move ahead with question number 4, MCQs with two correct options. So the first question is, ethics for computer users are dash and dash. So here the right answer is no software piracy and authorized access. So these are the two right answers. Next we have the term defined in IT Act are dash and dash. So right answer here is access and license. Next, following are the security procedures dash and dash. So the security procedures are nothing but SSL and firewall. Let us move ahead. Bad effect of unauthorized access are. So we have answer like loss of copyrighted material and data confidentiality. Then next we have encryption converts dash into dash. So encryption always converts the random text into the original text. Next we have pirated software means dash and dash. So pirated software means copied software or the software which is without any license. Next, morally good or bad and right or wrong principles are called as dash and dash. So these are nothing but ethics and morals. Next, cyber law deals with dash and dash. So the answer here is cyber law deals with patent, it deals with copyrights, it deals with trademarks. So these are the answers. Okay. Next, digital signature uses following keys. So there are two keys in the digital signature. One is public key and the second is private key. Next we have example of cyber crimes are. So out of the four options, only two of them are the cyber crimes. So it is cracking and phishing. Now we'll move ahead with question number 5, MCQs. MCQs with three options correct. So the first question is, example of unauthorized accesses are dash, dash and dash. So the answer is hacking financial related information, illegal use of logging and passwords, damaging software and important information. Next, following are the do's for the students in the cyber world. So the answer is connect with known individual, use strong and unique password, deactivate your account if your account is hacked. Now we have matched the following pairs. So here, copying a game file. The answer for it is software piracy. So whenever you copy a game file or just copy it down from somewhere, you don't take any license copy, then it is called as software piracy. Then law related to internet is nothing but cyber law. Network security is firewall, SSL. Then system crashes suddenly means what? It is one of the sign that indicates cyber threat. Next we have answer briefly. Now these are the answer in brief questions. So the first one is what is digital signature and where it is used. So a digital signature is nothing but it is used to authenticate the document, whether it is and right or wrong document, whether it is original or not. Okay, so because of that nowadays digital signatures are used, and it is basically used in big organizations, offices. Okay, next, define copyright and cyber law. Now copyright means what? A owner, whoever has prepared some document or a software, so he himself will be having the whole sole rights to take a benefit out of it, to sell it. Okay, so all the rights, he is the only owner, he is having the copyright patent with him of that particular product. Next, what is cracking? So cracking means what? Whenever a person who has some idea about coding but he is using his knowledge in a wrong manner and he is trying to crack a code and making his own benefit out of it. So such type of person who is making an intrusion in the process is called as a cracker. Next, how to protect your data. So to protect your data you have so many options, like you can use antivirus, you can use the firewall, security procedures like secure socket layer. Okay, if any type of wrong things you see or wrong icons you see on your computer, or your computer crashes down suddenly, you just have to report it immediately, okay, to the cyber crime. So all such things you need to do, and you have to take the care of your own data. What is need for ethics culture? Now ethics means what? One should understand how to behave, what are the right and wrong things, and the same thing should be followed over the internet. You should not comment anything which may lead to some problem or which may hurt some religion, which may hurt some human. Such harassment type of words you should not use. You should follow some net etiquettes whenever you are using internet, whenever you are on social media. So because of that, ethics culture is very much important. Next, what care should be taken by the user while doing the online activities? So several times we are online, we use so many social medias, so you should take care of other sentiments, you should think twice before posting anything. Okay, you should not bully anyone, you should not harass anyone. You have so many don'ts and do's. Out of that you can write some points here. Next we have explain software piracy and hacking. So you can explain what is software piracy. It is nothing but copyright violation. So whenever you download any game, not a licensed copy, just copying it, okay, so pirated softwares, they all come under the software piracy. Now you have to write a program. So program is based on what? It is an HTML program. The specifications are given like background color should be pink, text color should be red, then the heading should be large, that is my first web page. So सबसे large जो heading है वो है H1 tag. Then display your name in bold, so you'll use the bold tag. Then address in italic, so address you'll write in italic tag. And then the standard as 11th, तो 11th अगर आपको ऊपर लिखना है then you can use the sup tag, that is superscript. Now the second program is create a web page with following specifications. So image of a scientist with alternate as his name, so you have to use an image tag and you have to put the image of a scientist and you have to use an alt attribute with his name in it. Then create a paragraph related to the information of that scientist. So to write a paragraph you will use a p tag in it. Then we have the next program, JavaScript program, to check whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not. So here you are going to take a number from the user and then you're going to put a condition, that is if condition. So if the number modulus 5 is equals to 0, then and then only the number is divisible by 5. So just you have to write it, document.write the number is divisible by 5, else the number is not divisible by 5. So this is how you're going to apply the logic to your program. So this is all about the paper for 11th IIT students. So it can be helpful for all the streams like arts, commerce and science, as they have the same content in their book. So if you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe the channel.